My name is Satish Purandare. I am a businessman from India and I am setting up a sugar factory in Tanzania. Our High Commission has helped me a lot in all the formalities to be completed. Not only this, but during the COVID-19 exigency, our High Commission has helped in evacuating the people from this country. So many flights without Vande Bharat mission have been organized and peoples were evacuated. Not last but the least, last week only one Indian worker has been not paid the salaries for his last 6 months by one Tanzanian company, and our excellency has assisted him and he got his salaries as well as all his dues. Our High Commission and the all staff is very courteous to every, not only Indian, but also to the Tanzanians who are interested in knowing India.
My name is Vipin. I represent Kalamandalam, an association of Keralites in Tanzania. During the crisis of Corona, and is still a crisis, the mission office in Tanzania played a pivotal role in organizing chartered flights for evacuating stranded Indians to their homeland. Initially, they have called up an whole community meeting wherein they have chunked out plans and advised associations to align with it. They played a pivotal role in organizing Air Tanzania flights and getting approvals for operating chartered flights with the help of Oman Air to various destinations in India. They have worked round the clock for organizing approvals for sending mortal remains of few of the Indians who lost their life during the crisis. We thank and always grateful for the exemplary work done by His Excellency Sri Sanjeev Kohli, Deputy High Commissioner Sri Chandramouli, Mr. Pandey, Mr. Gupta, and Mr. Santosh in organizing those chartered flights. We wish them good health and pray to God that they can continue with the good work they have done for the people of India who is working in Tanzania. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kumar Mohanty of Odia Samaj, Tanzania. I want to thank the High Commissioner of India to Tanzania and Chandramouli sir and Santosh sir for their tremendous efforts in evacuating Indian citizens under Vande Bharat mission. They provided food, shelter and money to those who lost their job in this pandemic. They even ensured that no Indian should face any problem in this pandemic. They helped each citizen who is being evacuated from Tanzania to India, starting from getting their tickets to reach their destination quarantine center in India. They involved personally with all the community heads who are present in Tanzania to make this process transparent and more effective. Even I personally want to thank all the staffs, especially Chandramouli sir and Santosh sir, for helping me, as I was also having medical emergency in this pandemic. I just want to thank all High Commission staffs, and I want to say that, sir, due to the staffs like you all, we feel proud of being Indian, and we feel safe, secure even out of India, and even feel homely staying outside India. Keep it up, sir. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Namaskar.
Hi, myself Srinivas Siripuram. I wanted to thank Indian Embassy in this pandemic COVID-19 situation. It was a great help for me was July 4th on Saturday. My father was expired, and I immediately contacted Indian Embassy. Then they had rushly given details to send a request, and I had sent the request, and they have immediately given the approval. And even Sunday also they had requested a Tanzanian team to issue the tickets, so I could able to travel on time. Then this was very helpful given by Indian Embassy and even Indian Government of India in Mumbai. There is a home quarantine mandatory, but I have particular necessity to travel. I had shown my father's death confirmation from the local authorities, and they are allowed me to travel by road. Even the government of Telangana given a letter for traveling permit from Mumbai to Hyderabad. It is also very helpful, and Indian Embassy is very swiftly reacted and given the go ahead for me to travel in this pandemic. I am very thankful to all the Indian Embassy and more this Chandramouli sir and Shubham sir. They had helped me on the day, and I am very thankful to them and Indian Embassy. Thank you very much.